Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix FC25 showcase not working. Alright, let's begin. First, check if your game is updated to the latest version. Update 9.1 fixed several showcase access bugs, so make sure both your game and console or PC are fully updated. Next, confirm that you have the full version of FC25 installed, not just the demo or showcase edition. You can verify this by checking your purchase in the store or EA app. If the problem continues, uninstall FC25 completely and reinstall it. This ensures the full version replaces any corrupted showcase files. Also, try clearing the cache, restart your console after unplugging it for a minute, or clear EA app cache on PC. Finally, check your EA account for any restrictions and make sure your internet connection is stable. If nothing works, contact EA support for further help. So that's basically how you can fix FC25 showcase not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.